For 6 months, I've researched, and in 1 hour, I was able to give her the all the information. So there must be people who are doing this for 6 years like you, who can give me that same kind of knowledge and help me guide. So these are the three main reasons that I wanted to join a course and someone who could handhold me and correct my mistakes. And that's what I've exactly got. I think discipline is one big thing that is very important in e-commerce business.
When we refresh, because the number of order count, when it is increasing, it's always the happiest moment. There will be some time when you refresh the seller app, 1 lakh, that amount will come. No, so how was that feel for you? Hey everyone, welcome to another interesting Hall of Fame video. And today we have Supraja here. Welcome, Supraja.
Hi, Vinivita. Very nice to join you here. How are you doing?
Yeah, fine. How about you?
I'm good.
Great. So just give a small intro about yourself and the business that your family is doing.
So I'm from a town called Ongole in Andhra Pradesh. I've did my MBA from Bit School of Management. I'm doing a full-time job with a private MNC in Mumbai. This business, Amazon e-commerce, we have started about 6 months ago, and with the help of my family, we have launched it here, and the sales are picking up, and we're doing good. I'm quite happy with the business now. So, yeah, looking forward.
Great. So you have started the business before you have joining the course also, before you have joined the course. So what major change you saw after joining the course? How it actually helped you to build your Amazon business?
So before joining the course, what I've done was I have researched for 6 months. I've seen the videos available online. There are a ton of YouTube videos available. So I was reading those to understand what is the process. But even though I've opened my seller account, I've faced with couple of problems which I want to talk about. Number one is product selection. Even though there are a lot of templates out there to select a particular product, I still struggled because I was not making profit on the selected product. And also, I had quality issues with the previous product. So, after joining this course, crushing mantra that I have mentioned, I was able to select the right products, and not just the mantra. After selecting the product, how to validate it as a, how to do the quality check, bringing out the sample, and how to negotiate with the supplier, and how to keep the restocking items, because stockouts was a problem for me earlier. All these things helped in your course. So these are this is the first reason I wanted to join a course. And the second reason was when my family and I was working alone in this, we wanted to connect with other sellers also, and to understand where we are in comparison with others. And sometimes when we feel demotivated, we wanted a community kind of feeling wherein I could approach, I could ask questions. So this is the second reason. And the third reason is that it just so happened that one of my friend, she was interested that we have started an Amazon business. She called me up. We had a full 1 hour length call wherein I was explaining her what are all the points that I've researched online, how to start an account, how to do this. I was explaining her with the limited knowledge that I had. So at that point, I realized that for 6 months I've researched, and in 1 hour I was able to give her the all the information. So there must be people who are doing this for 6 years like you, who can give me that same kind of knowledge and help me guide. So these are the three main reasons that I wanted to join a course and someone who could handhold me and correct my mistakes. And that's what I've exactly got.
Very detailed answer actually. So glad to know that. Personally, what I like you in every Q&A session is like you come with a set of questions. You know what you're asking and you take back every time. So how do you actually plan your work at the backside? That should be a structure I personally feel. So how do you actually do this? Because it's just your family business. You're also working. How are you able to manage all these stuffs?
So I think discipline is one big thing that is very important in e-commerce business. So I try to allocate at least 1 hour per day for this, though sometimes I am guilty about not doing it, but I do it. And whenever I'm working on a product, so if I don't understand a particular concept or anything, I would just write it in my notes that I have this doubt. So that is why in every Thursday Q&A that we have, immediately I raise hand. I have a set of questions. I think I ask you. I just make sure that I stay towards the entire session because I can also learn from other sellers. So that is something that is very important to me. And the next thing is I keep checking, new sellers. They have this thing, and I also have this that I continuously open my Amazon seller app on my mobile. I do it like 20-25 times a day. Seeing
I am doing it yearly correct stage. So even I have even installed app timer and all, but still I'm just again enhancing the app timer and using it.
yeah. So I don't think this is ever going to go away. Hearing
Yeah.
Angel.
So even today morning, I just disabled my YouTube everything and I set a timer for Amazon and I use Shopify every app I set. But still, I'm just enhancing it. I don't know how to come out of this. Still, we are stuck out, and I feel that this maybe I don't know what you call dopamine or whatever the word that you're going to call, but I love it when we refresh because the number of order count when it is increasing, it's always the happiest moment.
Yeah, definitely.
Great, great. So, how was your first sale experience? Can you elaborate that? How joyful it was?
So for this also, there is a small elaborate answer only. I listed my product and I waited for approximately 10 days for after post which I got my first sale. And when I got my first sale, it was a mixed reaction. On one end, I was extremely happy that I finally made a sale. On the other end, I was just in utter disbelief. I was just thinking that maybe one of my competitor has ordered my product or maybe somebody is doing it on purpose. I was not completely sure. And at that time, luckily, I was at my home only. I was not in Mumbai working. So the next day I was leaving. So immediately I went around outside. I tried to pack the order along with my brother, my father. We packed our first order and we took some nice photos also just to remember our first order. So we packed it. I told them we saw what are all the guidelines for packing and we did it. And the post which I left for Mumbai. And from that day on, I kept checking my Amazon app. So for the sales, it was very happy. Yeah.
Got it. So, always a first order special. It will stay in your mind forever. That's what I personally feel. So, how was hitting this 1 lakh? That is a very good benchmark. So, there will be some time when you refresh the seller app, 1 lakh that amount will come. No? So, how was that piece for you?
So again, I think earlier before my MBA and all, I only worked in product roles, which means I don't have any visibility on the sales of any business. So I was always under the feeling that I don't have the skills for sales. So that confidence I used to not to have, and actually Amazon e-commerce is also one way where I could go around it because I don't need to talk to customers myself. My product listing and Amazon will do it. So that is one help that Amazon does. And whenever I see that number, I feel quite happy that even though I have this underconfidence of sales, I'm able to make that sale. And I'm just hoping that I will increase it further.
Sure. Next, you'll achieve 10 lakhs, 1 crore. It is all on the way. Kudos to your efforts. Because I want to ask this question also. I know about your A cost also. Your A cost is pretty low. So, how did our ads module, our ads call, and what efforts you did to make it more structured and bring down the A cost? Any suggestions to our subscribers would be helpful.
So first thing is the listing needs to be perfect in terms of the A plus content, the images, and the keywords is the main thing that we have to put. So it should be SEO optimized using all the keywords. That is cost one, and I think Newton Max team also helps me in auditing each and every listing that I do. So that is one help that I received. And post that, I think marketing modules are, I think there is a small misconception among people, or at least it was with me before joining this course. What I thought was when we say about marketing, I only knew about keyword listing. You target certain keywords, you put certain bid, and you run, and whatever keyword is working, you increase the bids, and whatever keyword is not working, you just reduce. This is the only thing that I know. But whenever I have the marketing call that the team organizes, so I when I get new strategies that if at all a keyword is not working, how to make it work or how to not make it work. So there are a ton of strategies, and every marketing call brings me some or the other new knowledge that I can use towards the business. So that is very helpful.
Got it, got it. So it was great. So just one last question. So you have been there with us for 3+ months. So why do you want to recommend our mentorship opportunity to others, and what you think that makes so special about this particular program?
Number one, you are very inspiring. So whenever I have seen your videos even before this post on YouTube also, I am inspired with your story and the way you organize the entire course, wherein we have multiple touch points from your team each and every time. So that brings us the motivation to go forward. And I know that your team is always there for whatever doubt I have. And whenever I mail or I ask any doubt in the session, I get the right answer, or I get the right way forward. Where should I look for to get that? So it has actually removed, before joining this course, I would never know what to do whenever I had a doubt. So I would always go back to YouTube, search through hundreds of videos, and still sometimes I wouldn't find, most times I wouldn't find answers. Now that headache is completely removed. So whenever I have a doubt, I just go to my notes, I note that question down, and I ask in the call. So I think the way that session is structured, with multiple touch points and multiple sessions where I can ask questions related to each and every angle of my business, is helping a lot. So that is thanks to you.
Great, great, great. Happy to know that. Even when you're speaking, I could see it's well structured. You're briefing the answer so correctly that I'm just listening. So nice to have such a person. And you are one of the student who's having a good ACOS also. So personally, I always feel like on optimize the ads. Even you reach a higher level. For example, we are doing around 2 crores for one of the client that we are working on. Even in that ad account, we have a structure to optimize the ads regularly. Because it's doing 2 crores, we don't leave it on as such. Optimization is the key for having a better ROI. That I constantly believe in that. So that's what I would also suggest you. We have achieved good numbers, good ACOS. We have to increase the profitability. So to increase the profitability, periodically working on the advertisements, the SEO strategies, reviews, all these plays a very major role. So that is one advice that I have from my side. So put your efforts. You already know what is what. Just don't leave that. There will be some point you will feel bored. Maybe you can outsource to anyone, but don't stop that alone. So that's what I want to convey.
All right, yeah. Thank you so much.
It was very nice to have a call with you. And as I mentioned, in every Q&A, you used to ask, I know if I'm going to call your name, there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Same way today, testimonial also meant very clear. All the audience also will, agree to that. So happy to have you here. Thanks a lot for accepting the invite and coming to our call.
Thank you, Niveda. I'm glad that I've had this call with you. Very happy.
Yeah, thank you. And if you're someone who is watching this from your home and want to kickstart your Amazon journey from the comfort of the home without any technical knowledge and with minimum experience and with minimum investment, do check out the masterclass link along with this video. You can watch the masterclass and book a call with us, and we can connect over a call and understand whether we can help you to start your Amazon FBA in India. Thank you.